Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, I've got something truly extraordinary to share with you. If you've ever dreamed about combining the luxury of a five-star hotel, the futuristic design of a concept car, and the freedom of life on the open road, then you're going to love this. What you're looking at right now isn't just any motorhome. It's a futuristic double-decker masterpiece that takes modern travel to a whole new level. From the very first glance, the design of this motorhome screams innovation. Sleek aerodynamic curves flow from front to back, with large tinted windows wrapping around both levels, giving it a smooth and elegant profile. The bright metallic finish, combined with LED light strips along the edges, makes it look more like a high-tech spaceship than a traditional RV. And let's not forget about those 6 massive wheels, engineered not only for stability, but also for carrying the immense luxury packed inside. Now, one of the most eye-catching features is the upper level. Thanks to its panoramic glass roofing, it's not just a second floor. It's a floating lounge with sky views that make road trips feel like you're gliding through the clouds. Imagine cruising through mountain ranges or along a coastline, with sunlight flooding the lounge during the day or stargazing at night, all from the comfort of your moving home. Step inside and you'll quickly realize this isn't just about looks. The interior is designed with the philosophy of luxury meets functionality. The lower deck is all about practicality and comfort. Here, you'll find an expansive living area fitted with plush modular seating, a smart entertainment system, and ambient lighting that can be adjusted to match your mood. The dining space comes with a fold-out table and designer chairs, perfect for both family meals and formal dining. The kitchen is another highlight. It's fully equipped with state-of-the-art appliances. Think induction cooktops, a built-in oven, a smart refrigerator, and even a hidden dishwasher. Everything has been seamlessly integrated into sleek cabinetry, giving the interior a minimalist yet premium feel. No more cramped cooking in a tiny RV kitchen. This motorhome gives you space to cook like a pro.
Now let's head upstairs, where things get even more exciting. The upper level is designed to be both a relaxation zone and a private retreat. The panoramic lounge stretches across the front with wide reclining seats and smart tables that double as workstations. This makes it the perfect space whether you're working remotely, reading a book, or simply enjoying the journey. Farther back, you'll find the bedrooms. Instead of cramming bunk beds or fold-outs, this motorhome gives you full-sized sleeping spaces with memory foam mattresses, mood lighting, and massive windows with smart tint technology. That means you can adjust your level of privacy or sunlight with just the press of a button. And if that wasn't enough, the rooftop comes with a retractable deck. Imagine parking near a beach, opening up the top and enjoying a rooftop barbecue or evening drinks under the stars. This motorhome transforms from a high-tech vehicle into a mobile luxury resort. When it comes to technology, the innovation doesn't stop at design. The entire motorhome is controlled through a smart system. Touch panels and voice commands let you manage lighting, temperature, entertainment, and even the vehicle's driving mode. It's also designed with eco-friendliness in mind, featuring solar panels on the roof, regenerative braking systems, and hybrid engine technology for maximum efficiency. So, who is this motorhome really for? It's for those who want to break free from the limits of traditional travel. It's for digital nomads, adventurous families, or anyone who refuses to choose between comfort and freedom. With this rolling mansion, the road truly becomes your playground. To sum it all up, this futuristic double-decker motorhome is more than just a way to travel. It's a lifestyle. It blends luxury, technology, and design in a way that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in mobile living. Whether you're chasing adventures across continents or simply want the ultimate road trip experience, this motorhome sets a new gold standard. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments, would you live in a futuristic motorhome like this? Or is it more of a dream than reality? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss more amazing content about the most incredible vehicles in the world. Until next time, keep exploring.